Michael Cardamone once again for Northeast Factory Direct. We are here in their new East Side location in Euclid, and as always, their owner, Alex Naaman, is joining us. Congrats on having this new space finally open.
Thank you. I'm really proud of our team. That we've been working so hard to get open here, and the doors are open now, but we still have a ton of stuff to do. Our grand opening is actually going to be on November 24th.
Which happens to be Black Friday.
It happens to be Black Friday, but that's not the reason we're doing it. It's Black Friday every day here at Northeast Factory Direct.
And people should know, I mean, I drive by this building all the time. This is a Cleveland staple. This is the old B&B appliance building. So people, I mean, they're not going to be able to miss it when they drive by. So all the more reason to stop in here.
No, it was really actually a really good fit for us. And, we hope to carry on. They were a staple here, and we hope to carry on their legacy here in Cleveland.
All right. Now, you already have hot tubs set up. You have, the couches, the recliners. And even over here, you have some things set up. I mean, so just day to day, you can set things up?
We're setting up our dining room furniture, our kitchen cabinet showroom, which is going to be unbelievable. We're working on that right now. And we have some exciting things in the works too. We have an express program coming up soon, so products that people can have within 24 hours. Really exciting things. I mean, the brainstorming that's come out of this disaster that we had has really brought us together, and we've got some great things happening.
Well, when people walk through now, there's still work going on, so it's still the warehouse feel. But again, that's how you pass the savings on to the customer.
Exactly.
But really excited to be in the new East Side location again, the old B&B appliance building. Listen, they got over 1,000 5-star Google reviews. They know what they're doing. Go to northeastfactorydirect.com.